In this video, we will be going over constructions part 2.
By the end of this video, you will know how to construct perpendicular lines and parallel lines from points on and off the line and a square.
Perpendicular lines are two lines that intersect and form right angles.
Parallel lines are two lines on a plane that will never intersect.
A square is a plane figure with 4 equal sides and 4 right angles. When constructing, make sure to always have your compass and to never fill in arcs by hand. Make sure to always line up the compass with the point exactly, otherwise your parallel lines, perpendicular lines, and squares will not be accurate. Place your compass on point A and draw an arc that will intersect your line in 2 spots on both sides of the point. Draw 2 points where it intersects. Place your compass on point B and draw an arc that intersects the line more than halfway between point B and point C. Find the 2 spots where the arcs meet. Use a straight edge or the side of your compass to draw a line that will go through both of these points. Now you have your perpendicular lines.
Place your compass on the given point on the line. Choose a point on your compass and place your pencil there. While keeping your compass on the point, draw an arc on each side of the point, each the same distance from the point, and label each point. Next, choose a bigger point on your compass, and from each new labeled spot on your line, draw an arc above and below the line. Mark the points where the 2 arcs intersect and connect those points using a straight edge. Now you have a perpendicular line.
Pick a number on your compass. Make an arc using that hole that will intersect the line. Make a point where the arc intersected and make another arc using the same number hole to the right of it. Make a point on that. Going back to point A, make an arc above the line using the same hole as you did for all the previous arcs. Go to point B and make an arc that will intersect the previous arc using the same number hole. Draw a point in it. Now make another arc using point B that is to the other side of the one before. Use the same hole. Make an arc off of point C that will intersect the second arc that was made off of point B. Use the same hole. Put a point where the 2 arcs intersect. Connect the 2 points of the intersected arcs with a straight edge. This new line is your parallel line. First, make a point on the line. I'm going to call this point A. Line up your compass with point A and find the hole that is on point P. Draw an arc that will intersect the line. Remember this number. Draw a point where the arc intersects the line. I'm going to call this point B. Using the same number of holes you did before, draw an arc above the line off of point B. Draw another arc with the same number off of point P in the direction of the previous arc so that the two intersect. Draw a point where they intersect. Line up your straight edge with the 2 points and draw a line. This will be your parallel line.
To construct a square with a given side length, put your compass on one point of the line and find the spot on your compass that passes through the other point. Draw an arc through that point. Okay. Now, using that same point, put your compass on point A and make an arc through the line. Mark this as point B. Now put your compass on point A and choose a point on your compass smaller than the length of AB. And make an arc on each side of point A using that same point. Mark each point. Choose a bigger hole and now put your compass on each point on either side of point A and make an arc above and below point A. Repeat this on the other side. Mark each spot where the arcs intersect and connect the points with a straight edge. You have just created a perpendicular line through point A, which also means that you have a right angle. Now using your compass, measure the length of AB and place your compass on point A and mark the distance along the line you have just created and label it. Now you have two sides of your square. Repeat the steps you just did to draw a perpendicular line through point A and draw a perpendicular line through point B. Now that you have created two perpendicular lines through points A and B and copied the length of AB on each, you now have three sides of your square. To create the fourth and final side of the square, you just connect points C and D. To create point D, you measure the length of AB once again and put the compass on point B and copy that length on the line and mark it. You have now constructed a square with four sides of equal length and four angles that are all 90 degrees.